Recording. Okay. Please mute yourself. We will start the Prarthana Shilpa. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti
Samaprabha
Vignam
Sarvanam Guru Me Deva
Sarvakari
Sarvakaryeshu Sarvata
Saraswati Namastubhyam
Tubhyam
Varade
Varade Kamarupini
Yarambam
Dharambam Karishyami
Siddhir
Siddha
Bhavatu
Bhavatu Me Sada
Guru Brahma Guru
Ma Guru Vishnu Guru
Guru
Dev
Dev Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano
Sano Gunotam
Bhaveryam
Sahavirim Karavai
Tejasvinam
Tejasvinavatitam
Tumavidvishavarai
Vidvishabhahi
Om
Om
Shanti
Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Namaste everybody. Welcome to the 6th class. So before we start with today's content, does anybody have questions about last week's class? No? Okay. Does anybody have questions about the homework? Okay. There are no questions, then we'll start.
Bhanu Mahadaya, I think one question was about Matru Shabd. Mata was there, right? So.
Oh, that is correct. Yeah, I don't know how how we missed it, but Mata is actually Matru. So Mata, Mataro, Mataraha. Mata is not Mata and Mataha. So the root of that word is Matru. Yeah, we missed it. It was our mistake. So if you wrote it before I made the correction in the PDF, you can ignore it. But yeah, Mata, the root word is Matru, and the Bahuvachanam is Matru, Mata, Mataro, Matara, Mata and Matara. We will learn it in a future class. We haven't covered Rukaranta Shabdas, so we will cover it in a future class. Okay. Anything else? Any other questions about the homework or the previous class?
The homework was took less time and it was shorter. It took less time than 100 words.
So you want to give you 100 words for homework again?
No way. Because I have my exams coming up this week, so it will be hard.
Okay. Yeah, I was telling somebody before you all joined, we are going to learn fewer words each class. That way we will cover more topics and also learn new words at a decent pace. Instead of learning 100 words at a time, it's hard to remember all of them. So we will do one at a time, a few at a time. And then I think somebody asked last week, Guruhu, is there a Strilinga Shabda for Guruhu? I think it was Ramesh Mahodaya who asked that. So I did not know the answer. I went and asked my teacher. So what he told me was, there are some words that belong to a category called Niyasa Linga, which means their Linga is assigned to them. It doesn't change whether it's we are talking about a man or a woman or a napumsakalinga. The linga, the word doesn't change. So if it's a female teacher, it will still be guru. So we would say sa mama guruhu, just like we would say saha mama guruhu. Guruhu is as we have learned, is a pullinga shabda. But even if it's a woman teacher or a woman guru, because it belongs to a special category of words called Niyata Linga, we would refer to the female guru as also Sa Mama Guru. Same way with Shishuhu. Whether it's a male child or a female child, we would say Saha Mama Shishuhu, Sa Mama Shishuhu. So we would not encounter such words all that frequently, but it's good to know.
Mahodaya,
Yes,
the meaning for Sanchika.
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 Sanchika, it could mean an addition. What did we learn in the class?
We file or something, but I thought
Sanchika.
it is magazine.
Sanchika, edition, magazine, file. It has many words have several meanings, just like in English, right? So yeah, all those meanings are correct.
I looked up the dictionary. It's a computer file.
If you are using it in the computer terminology, I mean in the context of computers, yes. But even before that, it could mean like a paper file, right?
Folder.
Folder, yeah. File, not folder, but file. Yeah, okay. I see what you're saying. Folder, okay. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya, please unmute yourself. Yes, Mahodaya. You have a question?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Yeah. You know, when you are explaining the words and the meaning, sometimes your voice is very low or inaudible.
Okay.
Like in the last class, I was listening to this word jihwa. You are explaining how the word is combined together, written, how when you break it. But then I couldn't catch the meaning of the word.
Jihva means tongue.
Okay. So I would request you to, make your voice bit audible. Sorry.
Okay, no, that is fine. So the main thing is for you to be able to listen to me properly and to be able to see me and see my screen. So at any point, if you cannot hear me clearly or cannot see what I'm sharing, please stop me and tell me. I'm happy to make the correction.
Yeah, actually, the problem is last session I couldn't attend. I was unwell. So, but I was watching the video.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I clear now? Am I audible now?
Yes. Dhanyavad.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, at any point, this goes for anybody. If you cannot hear me properly or if you cannot see what I'm sharing, please stop me, unmute yourself and let me know. I will make the necessary correction.
Dhanyavad.
Okay. Namaste. So let us start our class today. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
It should say Atra, Tatra, and so on. Does everybody
Yes.
see that? Okay.
I can see it.
Okay, great. So we learned in a previous class, Gajaha Asti, Simhaha Nasti, or Mayuraha Asti, Mayuraha Santi. So those they exist or they are there, they are. So today we are going to extend that concept and specify where exactly. So for specifying that, we use words called Atra and Tatra. So Atra is here, right where the speaker is, and Tatra is somewhere far off. So, for example, we learned Gajaha Asti. Now, which meant the elephant exists or there is an elephant. But if we say Gajaha Atra Asti, it means the elephant is here. So wherever the speaker is, so next to the speaker or near the speaker, the elephant is there. So that is what atra means. Gajaha atra asti. Same way, nadi atra asti. The river is here. Jalam atra asti. Water is here. And if anybody has caught the pattern, Pullinga, it is atra. Strilinga, it is atra. Napumsakalinga is also atra. So the word atra doesn't change based on the linga of the word. So for any object in all three lingas, we would use atra. So atra is used to denote something that is close by. Same way, tatra is something that is far off, not close by. Simhaha tatra asti. The lion is there. There is a mistake here. It should be balika. Balika tatra asti. The girl is there. Chhatram tatra asti. The umbrella is there. So again, same way, Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, the word tatra does not change. It's the same. Any questions about this? Okay. There is one more associated word, anyatra, somewhere. It's not here, it is somewhere. We don't want to specify or we don't know where exactly it is. So that is when we use the word anyatra. So for example, balakaha anyatra asti. The boy is somewhere. We know the boy is there, but we don't know exactly where. So if the father asks the mother, where is the boy, where is his son, she would say, maybe he's playing, maybe he's somewhere in the school with his friends, whatever. So anyatra, somewhere else, not here. Ankani anyatra asti. So the pencil is somewhere, not in front of me, or I cannot see it far off. It is somewhere. I lost it maybe, or it could be in another room. So it is somewhere. Same way, pustakam anyatra asti. Again, Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, for all three, it is the same, anyatra. It doesn't change. One more thing. We also learned the Bahuvachanam form of Pumlinga and Strilinga. We will learn the Bahuvachana form of Napumsakalinga. But for Pumlinga Bahuvachanam also, Mayuraha anyatra santi. The peacocks are somewhere else. Panchalikaha anyatra santi. Phalani anyatra santi. The toys are somewhere, the fruits are somewhere. So anyatra does not change. Same way, if we use Bahuvachana for atra, it doesn't work. So that's why we will learn the Bahuvachanam form of atra. We haven't learned asti. We are talking about santi. No problem. Maybe these examples should not have been introduced at this point. We haven't learned santi. Okay, let's focus only on the first three examples. The boy is somewhere, the pencil is somewhere, the book is somewhere. And the word anyatra is a... Yes, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, we did Santi last class.
Oh, we did Santi?
We covered Santi last class.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, we did learn.
Okay, great. That's good. So then, so for Bahuvachanam also...
Asti Santi.
Okay, thank you. So for Bahuvachanam also, anyatra word doesn't change. So we would use santi, of course. Mayuraha santi, that's what we learned in the last class. Panchalikaha santi, phalani santi. So if we want to describe or say that they are somewhere else, we would say anyatra santi. So same way for atra and tatra also. Gajaha atra asti, gajaha atra santi. Nadi atra asti, nadyaha atra santi. Jalam atra asti, jalani atra santi. So the word atra, tatra, anyatra, they will not change based on linga or vachana of the word. Any questions? I cannot see any of you since I'm sharing my screen. So
Hello.
No, it's clear.
Okay, they're saying, don't you want to include Kutra and Sarvatra?
they are coming.
Okay.
Sarvatra. Sarvatra is everywhere. So example is Ishwaraha Sarvatra Asti. God is everywhere or Ishwara is everywhere. Same way, Vayuhu. Vayuhu is air that we breathe. It is everywhere. Jalam Sarvatra Asti. Water is everywhere. Same way, if we use Bahuvachanam, Ishwaraha Sarvatra Santi. Gods are everywhere. Same way, Strilinga Shabda, Sarvatra doesn't change. Napumsakalinga, Sarvatra doesn't change. Instead of Asti, we would use Santi. That's the only difference. Same way, Sarvatra doesn't, but Sarvatra does not change. So we have learned here, there, somewhere, and everywhere. So how to ask somebody where something is, and that is with a word called Kutra. Kutra means where. So if you want to know where is Ishvara, you would say Ishvaraha Kutra. Where is Ishvara? Ishvaraha. And the answer would be Ishvaraha Sarvatra Asti. Same way, Lekhani Kutra Asti. Strilinga Shabda. Lekhani Atra Asti. Somewhere. Nakshatram Napumsakalinga Shabdam Kutra Asti.
Mahodaya,
Hmm.
is Lekani supposed to be pen, right?
Lekhani is pen. Yeah, you're correct.
But
Yes.
you wrote it pencil.
Okay. My mistake. Ankani. It should have been Ankani or it should be pen. You're correct. Okay. But the point is, Kutra does not change.
Lekhani just means, in fact, it's a writing instrument only.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, so yeah, it can be pen also, pencil also.
Correct. But in our
you're
we'll
printed. Okay.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. So is this clear so far?
Yes,
Okay.
it is clear, Manohar.
Okay. Let us do some exercises.
One question, Mahodaya.
Yes.
Vayu. So, what will be the Bahuvachanam for Vayu?
Vayavaha.
Vayavaha. Okay.
I think so.
Yeah, this is Ukaranta.
Right.
I don't think it's okay. I will look it up. And confirm.
Sure.
Okay. Yes. So I will go in the order in which I wrote down the names. Some people joined after I wrote down the names. So if I don't call your name, please speak up. So let us start with Aparna Sharma Mahodaya. Mushakaha atra asti. So can you tell me what this means in English?
The rat is here.
Rat is here. Nagaraj Mahodaya, if I want to say plural, how would I say in Sanskritam? Nagaraj Mahodaya, are you there? Okay. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya. Yes, Arvind Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Mahodaya, could you just 1 second change to the last slide for a second?
Yes.
Okay. Sarvatra is everywhere.
Can I change the slide now?
TK Mahodaya.
Okay. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya. So
Yes.
if I want to use Bahuvachanam, how would I say it? Same sentence in Bahuvachanam.
Mushikaha atra santi.
And what will be the meaning?
Mouses are here.
Uttama. Ramu Mahodaya. Can you tell me what this means in English?
Shatika tatra asti. I don't remember what is Shatika.
Shatika is sari.
Sorry. Sari is here. Sari is there. Tatra asti.
Tatra asti. Trividya Mahodaya. Bahuvachanam for the same sentence.
Shatikaha tatra santi.
Shatikaha tatra santi. Uttamam. Kavita Mahodaya.
Kandukam kutra asti. Kandukam bangles.
Kandukam ball.
Where is the ball?
Where is the ball? Uttamam. Rohini Krishnan Mahodaya. Bahuvachanam for this sentence.
Kandukam.
We didn't do Bahuvachanam. Okay. Kandukani. So Kandukani.
Kani kutra santi.
Kandukani kutra santi. Uttamam. Shekhar Ananta Krishnan Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Namaste.
I could not see the video.
Okay, no problem. Catch up on the videos by the next class.
Okay.
Okay. Manjula Mahodaya.
Parvataha tatra santi.
What is the meaning?
Where is the mountain?
Tatra, there. We are not asking a question. We are saying something. Try again, please. Okay, let us take one word at a time. Parvataha, what does that mean?
Mountains.
Mountains, Bahuvachanam. Tatra.
Where?
There. Kutra is where. Tatra is there.
There.
The mountains are there. Uttama. Hemanti Mahodaya, can you make this into Ekavachanam?
Parvataha tatra asti.
Parvataha tatra asti. Uttamam. Nilesh Mahodaya, read this and say the meaning in English, please.
Nadyah sarvatra santi. The rivers are everywhere.
Rivers are everywhere. Uttamam. Chaitra Mahodaya, Ekavachanam form of this.
Nadi sarvatra asti.
Meaning?
The river is everywhere.
The river is everywhere. Uttama. Viraj Mahodaya.
Nakshatram kutra asti. Where are stars?
Where is star?
Where is, yeah.
Okay. So let us give a chance for whosoever name is called. That way everybody gets to practice. Say this again, Viraj Mahodaya.
Nakshatram kutra asti.
Meaning?
Where is star?
Where is the star? Uttamam. Narayanan Mahodaya, if I want to say the star is here, how would I say this?
Nakshatram atra asti.
Nakshatram atra asti. Uttamam. Aravind Mahodaya, can you read this sentence and say the meaning in English?
This one?
Yeah, seventh one.
Okay. Kapayaha kutra santi.
Read this word again, please. The second word.
Kutra.
Kutra. Can you tell me the meaning in English? Let's take one word at a time. Okay, we'll take one word at a time. What is kapayaha?
Milk.
Kapi.
Bottle.
Kapi. No, that is Kupi.
Monkey.
Monkey is kapihi. Kapayaha will be?
Where are the monkeys? In
where are the monkeys?
Ekavachanam form, we have to say kapi kutra asti.
Kapi na, kapihi.
Oh, okay.
Kapihi. This is not putra, this is putra.
Okay.
Say that again. Ekavachanam form.
Kapihi kutra asti.
Uttamam.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
Astu. Ramachandran Mahodaya. Yes. We want to say the monkeys are there. How would we say it?
Kapyaha atra santi.
Say the first word slowly.
Kapyaha atra santi. Kapayaha, sorry. Kapayaha atra santi.
Not here, there. I want to say there.
There.
There would be what?
Tatra santi. Tatra santi. Tatra santi.
Uttamam. Okay. Ramesh Mahodaya, can you please read this and say the meaning in English?
Rotikaah kutra santi. Rotika.
Chapati, roti.
Oh, it's roti. Kutra is there. Where is rotis?
Okay. Is this an ekavachanam or bahuvachanam?
Kaha is the bahuvachanam.
What is the lingam?
Napumsakalingam. Roti kaha means male. Pullinga.
Srilinga. Rotikaah, Srilinga Shabda.
Oh, really? Okay. Rotikaah kutra santi.
So altogether, what does this sentence mean?
Where is the rotis?
Bahuvachanam.
Chapati. Where are the rotis?
Where are the rotis? Bhagyashree Mahodaya. If you want to say the rotis are everywhere, how would we say?
Rotikaah sarvatra santi.
Sarvatra santi. Uttamam. Rachana Mahodaya. Read this and say the meaning.
Guravaha anyatra santi. Gurava is teachers.
Everywhere.
Somewhere.
Everywhere.
Teachers somewhere are anyatra.
So Chandrasekhar Mahodaya, please mute yourself. You will get your turn. Let the person whose name I call, let them speak. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Anyatra means somewhere. Teachers are somewhere.
Teachers are somewhere. Uttamam. Okay, hold on. Narayanan Mahodaya, did you get your turn or no?
I did not get Mahodaya. Meera here.
Mahoday, did Narayanan Mahodaya speak already?
Yeah, I spoke.
Okay, I wrote your name twice, that's why. Meera Mahoday, if I want to say, where is the Guru? Ekavachanam.
Guruhu kutra asti?
Guruhu kutra asti. Uttamam. Shreya Satish Mahoday, can you read this?
Ramaha atra asti va. Is Rama there? Here.
Atra. Is Rama here? Uttamam. Ratnakar Mahodaya, Bahuvachanam of the same sentence.
Ramaha atra santi va.
Uttamam. Ramaha atra santi va. Bhavani Mahodaya, if I want to say the Ramas are not, the Ramas are everywhere, how would I say it?
Ramaha sarvatra santi. Santiva.
Okay. If you want to ask a question, Santiva. If you want to say a response, Ramaha sarvatra santi. Uttamam. Excellent. Okay. We will. Others will also get a chance. I think this is the exercise for here. Any questions on Atra, Tatra, and whatever we have covered so far?
No, Mahodaya, I am very clear about Atra.
Okay, let us move on then. So we have seen, just to a recap of the different types of questions that we have covered so far. The first question we learned was Kaha, and the response was Saha or Eshaha. So this was Punlinga. Ka for Strilinga, and the response would be Sa or Esha. For Napumsakalinga, we learned as Kim, and the response was Tat and Etat. And we learned Va as a question, and the answer was Am or Na. And today we learned Kutra. If the question is Kutra, the response is Atra, Tatra, Anyatra, Sarvatra. Clear? Any questions? Okay. Let us also quickly recap what we learned for Bahuvachanam of Strilinga. Akaranta Strilinga Veena, the Bahuvachanam is Veenaha. So Rotika, Rotikaha. Clear, Ramesh Mahodaya? Rotika, Rotikaha.
Yes, thank you.
Ikaranta Strilinga, Nadi, Nadhyaha. And the procedure we learned was for Akaranta, take out the Akara, add the Aha Shabda sound, and then you get Veenaha. Same way for Ikaranta, take out the Ikaranta, add Yaha to get Nadhyaha. Nothing new, everything we covered last time. I'm just reminding you.
Mahodaya, Mahodaya, could you show the slide where you said the Ukaranta?
For Pumlinga or Strilinga, which one?
For Strilinga.
We didn't cover that. We will cover it in a future class.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
So we learned Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam for Punlinga and Strilinga. We also learned the Ekavachanam for Napumsakalinga. Let's learn the Bahuvachanam for Pumlinga today. Fans, if anybody remembers, is Vyajanam. Bahuvachanam is Vyajanani.
This is Napumsakalingam or Strilinga?
Napumsakalingam. We are doing Napumsakalingam Bahuvachanam today. All the words you see will be Napumsakalingam only. So, Vyajanam, Vyajanani. Ranjani Mahoday.
Yes, Mahoday.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Do you remember the word for this in Sanskritam? Bangles?
No, I don't remember.
Kankanam. Kankanam.
Kankanam. Kankanam.
Bahuvachanam will be Kankanani.
Kankanani.
Vyajanam. Vyajanani. Kankanam. Kankanani. Chandrasekhar Mahodaya. Toranam. It is Toranam. It's what we hang on the entrance of our door.
Toranam, Toranani.
Toranam, Toranani. Uttamam. Uttamam. Bhavani Mahodaya, did you get a turn?
Yeah, not for this session. For the previous
Okay,
one, yeah.
Previous one, yes. Okay. Elizabeth Mahodaya. What is this one? Do you remember? You have to unmute yourself, Mahodaya.
Kandaka.
Kandukam.
Kandukam.
Can you guess what the Bahuvachanam might be?
No.
Kandukani. Kandukam.
Kanduka.
Uttama. Let's see. Somebody called Balaji.
Sir, I'm not able to see the video. For whatever reason, I'm just working it out. Yes, I can see the video now.
Okay, you can see the video now. Okay.
But I can't see the slides. Yes, I can see.
Okay.
Yes, please. Now I can see.
Okay. There is somebody called Bala G. Can you please?
Speaking, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can you please turn on your video?
Now I can
please?
see the screen.
Okay. Are you a new student? Are you joining us today?
Yeah, I'm a new student.
Okay. Can you please turn on your video?
Give me a second, sir.
Okay. Okay. Uttamam. I can see you. Okay.
I can see the screen now. Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. One request, don't call me sir. So the way we address each other in Sanskrit is Mahodaya. Mahodaya for Pullinga, Mahodaye for Strilinga.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the word you see on the screen?
Vanam.
Can you guess the Bahuvachanam?
Vanani.
Vanam, Vanani. Uttamam. Pankaj Mahodaya, welcome back. I hope you caught up on the videos.
Yes, I did. I did all my homework.
Okay.
I did all my did all the submissions, so everything is over.
Okay, Dhanyavada Mahodaya. Now let's go to Pankaj.
To you. You all are doing a good job.
Okay, Dhanyavada. Can you please mute yourself now, Bala Mahodaya? Okay.
Sure.
Pankaj Mahodaya, have you caught up on the video?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Can you guess what? Do you remember what this is?
No, I can't.
Udyanam.
Okay, Udyan. Right. Udyan
So based on what we have learned, can you guess the Bahuvachanam?
Udyanani.
Can you say it again?
Udyanani.
Udyanani.
Udyanani. Right, sorry. Udyanani.
Mahodaya, can we say
Can we also say? Sorry.
Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya, go ahead.
Yeah, can we also say for this gardens Bagicha?
I think that is a Urdu word. It's not a Hindi word. You can say Upavanam.
Upavanam, okay.
Bagicha, I think, is a Urdu word. I'm not really sure.
Okay, so Bagicha. Hindi, they also often use Bagicha.
Hindi, nowadays the words, they mix Urdu also, but I don't think it's Shuddha Hindi. I don't know. I don't speak Hindi that well, so I don't know. Somebody whose mother tongue is Hindi can confirm.
Okay.
Did everybody get a turn, or am I missing anybody?
Bhanu Mahodaya,
I did not get a chance.
I have a question here.
Okay, hold on. Who said they did not get a turn? Can you say your name?
Ruchi.
Ruchi. Okay, Ruchi. Okay, I will call you next. Ramesh Mahodaya, what is your question?
Can we say here is a lot of flowers? Pushpa, Pushpani.
We will come to that. There is a separate word for that. We will come to that.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Ruchi Mahodaya. This one is a new word, so I'm giving it to you. Yutakam. Yutakam means a shirt.
Yutakani.
Yutakani. Uttamam. Anybody else did not get a chance? Please, I cannot see everybody at once, so please speak up. If you have not got a turn, please speak up. Please say your name.
Mahodaya, I'm Shekhar.
Shekhar Mahodaya.
The video.
You cannot see my screen?
Yes. I'm only hearing the audio.
Oh, can everybody see the? Can anybody else? Can everybody see the screen or not?
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay. So
yes, we can see the screen.
Shekhar Mahodaya, I think try restarting Zoom. Maybe he will be able to see.
Okay.
So let's go back to the list. Aparna Mahodaya. Do you remember this word? We covered it. Kankatam. Bahuvachanam.
Kankatani.
Kankatam. Kankatani. So we have to say this word as Kankatam. Same place the ka sound comes from. Your tongue should be in the same place for Kankatani. And this looks like a dha, but it has a dot and a halanta because it's a half sound because there is another vyanjana next to it. So same thing we saw with Ankani. So it looks like dha, but it has a dot next to it. And we have a halanta because there again ka is coming, Ankani. So while writing, we have to be careful. Okay, Nagaraj Mahodaya, are you there? You have to unmute yourself, Mahodaya. Okay, maybe next time you can try. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya. Unmute yourself, please.
Yes.
May I try?
Amla.
No, simple word for fruit.
Phalam.
Phalam. Bahuvachanam.
Phalani.
Phalani, not phalani, not na, it's na, phalani. Phalani. Uttamam. Ramu Mahodaya. This is a new word, so I'm giving it. Kridanakam. It's a toy.
Kridanakani.
Kridanakani. Uttamam. Do you remember the Strilinga word we learned for toy?
Panchalika?
Panchalika. Bahuvachanam would be?
Panchalikaha.
Panchalikaha. Uttamam. Srividya Mahoday.
I don't know.
Playground. I think we covered it in the Ekavachanam. Kridanganam. Kridanganam.
Kridanganam.
Kridanganam. Kridanganani. Playground. Kavita Mahoday.
Sanganikam.
One second, Mahoday. If it's not your turn, please mute yourself. There is a lot of background noise. Somebody is moving something. Please mute yourself. Where is that noise coming from?
I think that is Srividya Mahodaya.
Okay. Dhanyavada. Go ahead, Kavita Mahoday.
Sanganikam.
Sanganakam.
Sanganakani.
Sanganakani. Not Dirgha. Raswa. Sanganakani. Not me. Sanganakam. Sanganakani. Rohini Mahoday. Rohini Mahoday.
Krishna Palakam.
Blackboard.
Krishna Palakam.
Krishna Palakani. Does anybody remember the word for chopsticks?
Shilakhandaha.
Arvind. Sudhakandaha. Shilakhandaha is a stone, small stone.
Sudhakhanda.
Sudhakhanda na khandaha. It's a akaranta pullinga shabda.
Yes.
Okay. Manjula Mahoday.
Window.
Vatayanam.
Nani.
Vatayanani. Uttamam. Hemanti Mahoday. This is a new word, so I'm giving it to you. Grunjanakam. Carrot.
Grunjanakam. Grunjanakani.
Grunjanakam. Grunjanakani. Carrot. Okay. Nilesh Mahodaya. Umbrella.
Chatram. Chatrani.
Chatrani. We are introducing a new concept here. It's not Chatrani, it's Chatrani. So if you see in the previous slide, Grunjanakani, Vatayanani, Krishna Phalakani, they all ended with na, ta, na. Now we are going to see words that end with ana, ta, na, Chatram, Chatrani. I will show you the rule when to use na and na, but Chatram, Chatrani. Okay. Chaitra Mahoday.
Pushpam Pushpani.
Pushpam. Pushpani.
Pushpani. Ramesh Mahodaya, your word has come. Pushpam, Pushpani. So why do some words end with ana and some words end with na? So there are two rules that we have to apply. So this is a brief introduction to digression into grammar. So when nakaranta, when the na is preceded by Refa, Shakara or Rikara, then you have to convert it into Anakara. For example, by default, we would think Karna. So if you break it down, it is K, A, R, N, A, Aha, Karnaha. But the Nakaranta is preceded by Refa. And that is why this becomes Ana. So, K, R, N, A, Aha, Karnaha. When you say all this together, it becomes Karnaha. So, in this word, the Nakaranta is immediately preceded by a Refa. And so that is why we substituted Nakaranta with a Anakaranta. Now let's look at another word, Vishnu. If you break it down into individual sounds, V, I, Sh, N, U, H. Nakaranta is preceded by Shakara. It is part of these three letters that we said. So the Nakaranta becomes Ana. So V, I, Sh, N, U, H, Vishnu. If you look at Krishna, same thing. K, R, Sh, N, A, Ha. Nakaranta is preceded by Shakara. Nakara is preceded by Shakara, and that's why it becomes Ana. So, K, R, Sh, N, A, Ha, Krishna. And lastly, let's look at a word that has a Nakara preceded by Rikara. Pitrunam. So, Pa, I, T, R, N, A, M. So, Nakara is preceded by Rikara. So, it becomes Anakara. So, Pa, I, T, R, N, A, M. Pitrunam. Instead of Pitrunam, it becomes Pitrunam. So, whenever you are in doubt, break up the word into individual sounds and then see if the Nakara is preceded by either Refa or Shakara or Rikara. If so, change Nakara to Anakara. Just like we did with Karnaha, it became Karnaha, Vishnuhu became Vishnuhu, Krishnaha became Krishnaha, Pitrunam became Pitrunam. So whenever you see Nakaranta preceded by these three shabdas, these three sounds, replace this with Anakara. Question?
Pushpam, it is not preceded by R or Sh or Re.
We will come. Good question. There is one more rule. It will be covered by the second rule.
Okay.
So, any questions on the first rule? Okay. So, there is an additional rule like Rohini Mahodaye asked. So, we will come to that. So, in addition to these three sounds, there are some words where there are other letters that can come between these three and Nakara. What are those? If it is a Swara, Swara means A to O, A, I, E, U, Ru, Ru, A, I, O, Au. If these three are followed by any of the Swaras and then followed by Nakara, it becomes Anakara. Or if these three are followed by Ha, Ya, Va, and then followed by Na, Nakara, it becomes Anakara. Same way, if these three are followed by any of the Ka Varga letters. What are the Ka Varga letters? Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya. So if Refa or Shakara or Rukara is followed by Ka or Kha or Ga or Gha or Nya followed by Nakara, then you have to change the Nakara to Anakara. And lastly, if these three, any of these three are followed by the Pa Varga letter, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, followed by the Nakara, then you have to replace the Nakara with a Nakara. So if you go back to Pushpani, why is it Pushpani and not Pushpani? So if you break it up, Pa, U, Sh, P, A, N, I. So we have the Nakara. It is preceded by Shakara, one of these, but it is also between these two. We have a Pakara, which is part of this Pa Varga, and it is also preceded by A, which is a Swara, and that is why we convert N to Ana. So, Pa, U, Sh, P, A, N, I, Pushpani. Is that clear, Rohini Mahoday?
Yes. Dhanyawad.
Okay.
What is the name of these rules? Is there any name for this?
It's a Panini Sutra. I don't know the name of it. It's one of the sutras. One of the rules that Panini Mahodaya drafted based on how people used to speak Sanskritam before he developed all these rules.
Okay.
So normally we refer to it as Anastvam. So if you want a shorthand, you can say Anastvam. So that is how we normally refer to it. I don't know if that's the name of the rule, but that's how we normally refer to it as Anastvam. So when does Ana come instead of Na? Anastvam. Okay. Let us look at one more word, Gruhani. So Ga, Rikara, H, A, N, I. So the Nakara is preceded by Rikara. But in between these two, we have a Ha, which is part of this list. We have A, which is part of this list. And so the Nakara has to convert to Anakara. So Gruhani. So Nilesh Mahodaya said Chatram Chatrani. We will see why it is not Chatrani, but not Chatrani, but Chatrani. This is a typo. It should be Chatrani. So Chatrani will be Ch, A, T, R, A, N, I. But Nakara is preceded by Rekha. But in between these two, we have Akara, which is one of the Swaras. And so this Nakara has to convert to Anakara. So Ch, A, T, R, A, N, I, Chatrani. Is that clear, Nilesh Mahodaya?
Yes, Mahodaya. Yes, Mahodaya.
Okay.
Mahodaya.
Yes.
So we had several words which were ending with Kani, but if there is Ka Varga, then it should have been Kani.
Yeah. What is one example?
Kridana Kani. Kridana.
Kridana Kani.
Even Krishna Palakam.
Okay. Good. Good question. Let's go back to Kridanganani. Is this? No. Kridanakani. Okay. So how would you break this up, Pankaj Mahodaya?
Oh, that Ra is not there. Okay.
No. Kri, D, N, A, D, A, N, K, A, N, I. Okay. So we don't have Refa, we don't have Shakara, we don't have Rikara.
Right. Okay. Sorry. Got it. Thank you.
Mohoday, can you explain similarly about Krishna Phalakam?
Krishna Phalakam. How will you break up? Okay, let's look at the Bahuvachanam. Can you break this up, Mahoday?
Krush, Karu, sorry, Karusha, Phala, Ka, Ani.
So before the na,
before the na, this ra, sha, ru is not there. That's the reason why it doesn't go to ni.
No. So what has to be there? Let us look at it. Is Rekha, Shakara, Rikara, or any of these, right?
Okay, yes. So it is plus, it has to be there along with it.
It has to be preceded. Yeah. So these have to precede the Nakara, and in between, only one of these has to come. If any other Shabda, any other letter comes between this and the Nakara, then the rule gets cancelled.
Okay.
So there has to be between this set and Nakara, it has to be only from this set of letters. If any other letter comes in between, the rule is cancelled. It will end up being Nakara only, not Nakara.
Dhanyawad.
Mahodaya,
yes,
in this rule, the Kavarga, Kakka, Gagga, Na, right? It is not Nya, right?
Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya. What is the question, Mahoday?
I got confused between the Cha Varga's final fifth letter and Ka Varga's.
This is correct. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya.
Bhanupadaya,
yes,
it
Mahoday.
only applies to na, not na, right?
Whenever you see a nakara, the na sound, and it is preceded by these three letters, or these come between this set of letters and nakara, only that becomes na. It doesn't work the other way around. If you have a nakara, it doesn't change to nakara. Only nakara will change to anakara. So if you see an nakara, it will not change to nakara. It's only one way. Clear? Was that the question?
That means parnam will be parnani.
Parnani.
Okay, ji. Dhanyawad.
Because before, okay, let us do it. Let us practice it. Why talk? Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
I am typing in Sanskritam. Can everybody see that I type Parnani? Can anybody not see it? Okay. So let us break this. So P, A,
Ra, ra, ra.
E. Okay, so there is an akara, there is a rekha, but in between those there is an akara. So there is a twara. That is good. So the rule so far between this and this is followed by a, which is good. So in theory it should convert to ana. But we also said if there is any letter, even one letter that is not part of the group, then the rule gets cancelled. Right? So it should be anything between a and au, or ha, ya, va, or ka, kha, ga, gha. Yeah, I don't know how to type nya, but let's assume it is there. Or pa varga. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. So this letter does not belong here, right? And so the rule is not applicable. So it remains like this only. So there is no conversion, and this becomes parnani only. It is not parnani. Clear? I could not see who asked me that question. So whoever asked that question, is this clear?
Yes, Mahoday.
If you're not clear, ask me again. I'm happy to explain. Not a problem. Ranjani Mahoday, you look confused. You're on mute.
No, I'm okay now. Yeah, no, I was just trying to kind of remember, this. So I'm good.
Okay. Aravind Mahoday, is it clear? Chandrasekhar Mahoday.
Okay, clear, yeah.
Okay.
You were saying that you are not able to type that inga, kaka ganga nga. It is typed by the tilde and G.
Thank you. I forgot that.
Okay. The tilde and G.
It's not coming. Okay, doesn't matter.
Maybe.
It's typing issue. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. So now that we have learned the rule, where did we stop last? Was it Chaitra Mahoday? Okay. Viraj Mahoday, did you get your chance?
No.
Okay. Go ahead, please.
This is Patram. Patrani.
Patrani. Patram. Patrani. Patram is paper or letter or leaf, something like that. Patram. Patrani. Narayanan Mahodaya.
Griham.
Griham, grihani.
Grihani. Because if you say Bahuvachanam Grihani, between the Nakara and the Rakara, there is the Ha letter, which is part of our list. And so the Nakara becomes Anakara. Grihani. House and house. Meera Mahoday. Temple.
Mandiram, Mandirani.
Mandiram, Mandirani. Straightforward. Mandirani, there is a rekha before the nakara, so Mandirani. Clear? Arvind Mahodaya. Leaf.
Patram, Patrani.
Parnam.
Patram, Patrani. We'll come to Parnam. Yeah, we saw Patram, Patrani. Uttamam. Ramachandran Mahodaya. K. Ramachandran Mahodaya.
Yes, Mahodaya. Patram, Patrani.
Patram, Patrani we did. There is one more word for a leaf. Patram, Patrani we did. One more word we learned to be Parnam.
Parnam. Okay.
Parnam.
Parnam. Parnam.
Bahuvachanam.
Parnani. Parnani.
Parnani.
Parnani.
No, not. We will see why.
No, yeah, Parnani.
Yeah, we saw this here, right? The na
Yes, sir.
sound cancels
Mahodaya.
the conversion to kara, so it will remain parnani and not
Parnani. Yeah.
Clear?
Yes,
Ratnakar,
Mahodaya.
you look confused.
Yeah, so this rule is this Paninian rule is only for this Bahuvachanams of this thing, or that is a generic rule applied for all words?
Generic rule. If you remember, we saw Karnaha, Krishnaha, Vishnuhu. Those are all Ekavachanam words, right?
Yes.
It's applicable to any lingam, any vachanam. It's not related to only Napumsakalinga, or it's only not related to Pumlinga or Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam. The reason we are learning the rule today is because there are many Napumsakalinga, Bahuvachanam words that end with ni, ani, and some of them become ani, and so that's why we introduced the rule today. But if you go back and if any of your Punlinga or Strilinga words end with ani or ana, look if this rule applies and make the appropriate conversion.
Dhanyawad.
Okay. I want to talk about one more topic very quickly, and then we will do division of Napumsakalinga Bahuvachanam. It is two new words we are going to learn, Bhavan and Bhavati. Bhavan is you in respectful form. For a Pumlinga, for a masculine word. Bhavati is addressed to a woman, you. So when we want to say you, we use a respectful term. The respectful term is Bhavati. Just like in Hindi, we say aap and tum. And I'm sure in other languages also we have similar words. In Sanskritam, while addressing a man, we would say Bhavan, and woman, we would say Bhavati. So Bhavan is you in a respectful way. Bhavati is you for a Strilinga, for a Stri in a respectful way. So if Bhavan is a Pumlinga Shabda, and if you want to ask who are you, it will be Kaha, Bhavan Kaha. So we learned that Kaha is a for. Okay.
So Chandrasekhar Mahodaya can mute himself.
Yeah, please, if you're not speaking, mute yourself. There is a lot of background noise. So we saw the question, Kaha was applied to Pumlinga Shabda, right? Saha Kaha, Gajaha Kaha, and the different types of questions we learned with Eshaha Kaha and things like that. Remember? So since we said Bhavan is a Pumlinga Shabda, if we want to ask who are you, it should be Kaha and not Kim or Ka. Bhavan Kaha. Bhavan is you. Kaha is who, right? Who or what. So Bhavan Kaha means who are you. Same way, Bhavati, I said, is a Strilinga Shabda used as a respectful term for women. And so we learned Ka, Sa Ka, Esha Ka when we learned Strilinga Shabda. So if you want to ask who a woman is, we would say Bhavati Ka. So if the question is Bhavan Kaha, who are you or what are you, addressed to a male. The answer can be anything. Aham gayakaha, I am a singer. Aham balakaha, I am a boy. Aham shikshakaha, I am a teacher. Or it could be my name also. I am Ashokaha. So same in English, right? If you say, who are you? I can say, I'm a programmer, or I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer. Or I can also say, I am Vijay Menon, or I am Chandrasekhar, or something like that. Right? It could indicate your profession, or it could be your name, just like in English. Who are you? Bhavan kaha, aham gayakaha, aham Ramaha, aham Krishnaha, aham Bhanuhu. Clear? Questions?
What about Aham Brahmasmi?
Uttamam. Aham Brahmaha Asmi.
Asmi.
So you have to break up. Asmi is I am in the state of being. So I am Brahma. Pumlinga Shabda. Aham Brahma Asmi. So break it up. Good question.
Dhanyavada.
But I don't know the meaning. You have to ask Jaykumar Mahodaya or some other Vedanta teacher what Aham Brahmasmi means. I only know the language part. Okay. Same thing for Striling. Bhavati ka, who are you? If you ask a woman, she can say, Aham Balika, I am a girl. I am a doctor, I am Vaidya. Aham Nyayavadini, I am a lawyer. Or she can say what her name is, Sita, Radhika, Malati, Haripriya, whatever. Same in English, right? If you ask a woman, who are you? She can say, I am a doctor, I am a lawyer. Or she can say, I am Ranjani, I am Rohini, I am Chaitra, whatever it is. Clear? So one thing, if you notice, whether it is a man responding or a woman responding, the word for I is aham. It is not changing based on the linga. So same as in English, I am. So Arvind Mahodaya, if I ask you Bhavan Kaha, what will your answer be?
Aham Aravind.
Aravindaha.
Aham Aravindaha.
And if you want to say you are a student, what will you say?
Can you please repeat the question again?
If you want to say I am a student, how will you say?
Aham Balakaha.
That is it. Okay, boy. Student is Chhatraha. Remember?
And I have a question that the first with the and her, how aham, why do you pronounce it as aham even though it doesn't have the ma?
It has this dot on top of her, right? So that is.
So if the dot is at the top, it's like hum.
It is called anuswara. We will learn when to use the sound, the letter or anuswara in a later class. But whether you see this dot or whether you see ma with a halanta, it means you have to read it as
Okay. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Ranjani Mahodaya. Bhavati ka.
Aham Ranjani.
Aham Ranjani. Uttamam. Kavita Mahodaye. Bhavati ka.
Aham Kavita. Aham Grihini.
Uttamam. Nilesh Mahodaya. Bhavan kaha.
Aham Nilesha.
Uttamam. Ramesh Mahodaya. Bhavan kaha.
Aham Rameshaha. Aham Vaidyaha.
Uttamam. How will you ask Bhagya Mahodaye? Who is she?
Bhagya Mahodaye. Kim?
Who are you? How will you ask her?
Bhagya Mahodaye. Kim?
Bhavati ka.
Bhavati ka. Okay.
Who are you?
Bhagya Mahodaye Bhavati ka.
Bhagya Mahodaye, how will you answer that?
Aham Bhagyashree, Aham Grihini.
And how will you ask Pankaj Mahodaya?
Sampat Mahodaya, Bhavataha ka. Bhavataha kaha. Bhavan kaha. Bhavan kaha.
Pankaj Mahodaya, how will you answer that? And ask Bhavani Mahodaya.
Aham Pankajah Bhavati ka Bhavani Mahodaye.
Bhavani Mahodaya, answer that and ask Ramachandran Mahodaya.
Aham Bhavani. Bhavan kaha.
Ramachandran Mahodaya.
Aham Ramachandranaha.
Ask Chandrasekhar Mahodaya.
Bhavan Chandrasekharaha kaha.
Chandrasekhar Mahodaya, Bhavan kaha.
Sorry, Shankaratera Mahodaya, Bhavan kaha.
Chandrasekhar Mahodaya.
Aham. Hello?
Yeah.
Aham kaha. Aham
Chandrasekharaha.
Chandrasekharaha.
Ask Meera Mahodaya, who is she?
Bhavati ka Meera Mahodaya.
Bhavati ka, Uttamam. Meera Mahodaya.
Aham Meera. Aham Yoga Shikshika.
Uttamam. Ask Ruchi Mahodaya.
Ruchi Mahodaye Bhavati ka.
But if we are asking the name, if we are asking Bhavati ka, then why are we actually addressing the name?
It could be the profession also.
It could be it could be the profession.
Yeah, so if the
also.
name is being asked, then just the profession should be answered, right?
Right. But because we are not sitting in the same room, I can't say you ask this person or you ask that person, because we are in different locations. That's the only reason. But you are right. Okay, is this concept clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do some more revision of the Napumsakalinga Bahuvachana Shabda. Who was the last person who answered the question previously? Arvind, I think. Okay. Ramachandran Mahodaya, take 2 words and tell the Bahuvachanam. No, hold on. Yes. Ignore the first 2 since the answers are there. Start with number 3. Ramachandran Mahodaya. K. Ramachandran Mahodaya.
Yeah. Phalam, Phalani.
Do 2 words at a time.
Yeah, Phalam. Sankanakam. Sanganakam. Sankanani.
Sanganakani. Sanganakam. Sanganakani.
Sanganakani.
Ramesh Mahodaya.
Udyanam Nani.
Udyanani. Next one.
Kridanganam.
No. This one.
This is Kridanakam. Kridanakam. Kridanakani.
Kridanakani. Bhagya Mahodaya. Bhagyashree Mahodaya.
Kridanganam, Kridanganani, Hrudayam, Hrudayani.
What is Hrudayam?
Heart.
So let us say the meaning in English also.
Okay. Kridanganam, playground.
Okay. Rachana Mahodaya. This one. The next one.
Vanam. Vanani. Forest. Yutakam. Yutakani. Yutakam is
shirt. Shirt. Yutakam. Yutakani. Not Yutakani. Yutakani.
Yutakani.
Meera Mahodaya.
Krishna Phalakam. Krishna Phalakani. Blackboard. Yanam. Yanani. Yanam is boat.
Any vehicle. It can be a boat, it can be a car, it can be a van. Any vehicle, the general word vehicle is called yanam. Just like vehicle in English can represent any type of vehicle, yanam in Sanskritam is any type of vehicle.
So yanam is similar to vahanam.
Yanam is similar to vahanam. Uttamam. Narayanan Mahodaya, please do the next two.
Upasechanam. Upasechanani.
Upasechanam means
Upasechanam above. Sechanam, Sochanam.
Sinchanam. So anything you pour on top of.
Mahodaya.
Yes, Arvind.
What is the meaning of Upaseshanam?
That is what we are talking about. Upasechanam is anything you pour on top of something. A juice or you can also use it for chutney. Nowadays, they invented a meaning for Upasechanam for chutney. So normally.
Or you can also say gravy.
Gravy, juice, something like that. So you put
Alukam.
Alukam.
Alukam, alukani.
Alukam
potato.
Is potato.
It's a pouring of the ghee on the rice. Upasechanam.
Upasechanam. That is true. Any liquid that is poured. That is correct. Shreya Mahodaya, do this please. Do these two.
Bhavanam. Bhavanani. What is Bhavanam?
Building.
Okay.
This one also. Please do two at a time.
Vatayanam. Vatayanani.
Vatayanani. Vatayanam is?
I don't
Airport is it?
Window.
Windows.
We saw that before. Window. Pankaj Mahodaya, do these two.
Sasyam, Sasyani. Sasyam, I can't. Sasyam.
A plant, a small plant. It's also the name of our class.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so the idea is we are a small plant at this stage. The next one is Lata and the next one is Malati and so on. So as the plant grows, that's how we are naming our class.
Is it plant or sapling?
Sapling. Okay, sapling plant, small in a budding stage. That is very young.
Right. Mukham is mouth, probably, or face.
Mahodaya. I guess that's why you named the levels. First is Sasyam, which is just a normal small sapling, and then Lata,
Lata is followed
and
by
then Malati, which is a well-grown tree.
Oh, Uttamam. That is exactly why we are naming the courses this way. Correct.
So
Then we have Vriksha. After that, Vriksha.
I don't know what Jaykumar Mahodaya is going to call it.
So Mukham is face, or Mukham.
Mouth.
Mouth. Okay. Mukhani.
Mukhani. Ranjani Mahoday. These two, and we will end it. Time is up.
Dhanam, Dhanani. It's money.
What is that?
Dhanam, Dhanam.
What is the meaning?
It's wealth, right? Wealth. Nanakam. Nanakani.
Ni, not na, ni.
Ni. Nanakani. And I don't know.
Remember what Nanakam means?
Coin.
Coin.
Oh, Nanakam. Oh, right.
Okay, no problem. We have several more words to revise. I will assign this as homework and we will practice it. And if you don't know the Ekavachanam meaning for any of the words, ask me on WhatsApp or send an email to the Google group. I will help you. Okay. Let us end the class here. And if you have any more questions, I will stay back after the class. You can ask me. So please mute yourself. We will do our Mangala Slokam. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudachyate Purnamadaya Purnamevavachishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः.
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 धन्यवाद महोदय.